Yes, it's a couch, a beautiful couch, and colorful. So what's the size? It's size 65 by 65.
Okay. I can see it's also a lot of layers.
Yes.
Different color combination together. Look very special. Yeah. Okay. Let's put on the wall and see.
So how do you think this one, which position suitable for this one?
For me, for my kids' room, I think
It also suitable for
yeah,
this one.
like this kind of
Our living room also.
Yeah, living room.
Okay.
It's a quite beautiful couch. Yes.
For this one, you can notice there are two mats,
Oh,
right?
yeah,
Two mats.
Yeah. Oh, double mat.
Yes.
Huh? Okay, so look, very value item, value art.
Yes.